Hey guys, it's Max here. So I just got a question from Ellen, and Ellen asked how we can distribute unique coupons inside Messenger with ManyChat without the need of using Zapier or Integromat. So I had a quick look at it and I came up with this solution, and it's actually really easy. So I thought it would be cool to just share this with you guys, and you can also maybe implement this yourself. So it works like this. We're going to do a few different things. So we're going to create a bot field, or maybe first you also have to make your integration with Google Sheets if you didn't do that already. Then you have to go over to your bot fields and you have to create a number bot field that is called coupon ID, and you set it to 1 already. You don't have to do anything else with it. So then we go back over to the flows, or to the one flow actually. And then in the beginning, we check if this coupon ID, if this is already 100. So we want to give away 100 coupons. And if this person, a new subscriber, for example, comes for a coupon and 100 coupons are already given away, then we'll get a message that says like, sorry, just checked. There are no coupons anymore. So what we do is we get the unique coupon and we're going to use the coupon ID. So this is the Google Sheet that I created. So this is just like a simple example. But here you have the coupon ID. So this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 100 with all the unique coupons. So we're going to use the value of that bot field to look for the right unique coupon. So if the bot field would be 20, then the person will get this unique coupon. So inside the flow, it works like this. So we're using the Google Sheets action, and then you have to select your spreadsheet, you have your worksheet, then you look up the column. So the column is called coupon ID because the other one is unique coupon. So the columns, like the names of those, you have to give in the first row. Otherwise, the integration doesn't really work. So here you would say, okay, coupon ID, that's this one. Then we select it here. And then we're going to look up a value. And that's where we use that coupon ID. So we say, okay, we want to look up the coupon ID value, which right now is 1. So we're going to look for this row. And then it says like, okay, which of these data do you want to save into a custom field or bot field or whatever? So right now I want to store the unique coupon that belongs to the coupon ID into the multi-field custom field. And we're doing a multi-field because this field is just like something that I use for everything, for temporary stuff. Like I don't think there's really need for creating a separate custom field just to store a coupon in, to just give it away quickly to the subscriber. You would only maybe use that if you want to give the coupon away more times to the same person. Like maybe you want to remind this person like, hey, your coupon, and then the coupon number or whatever it is still valid for 3 days. Then you would want to store it. But in this case, we're only give it away once. So I would do it in the multi-field. And then we're going to publish this. And then what will happen if I'm going to preview it? It will first check, okay, is the coupon ID greater than 100? No. Okay, get the row by value. Right now that's 1, so it's going to give me the first coupon. Then we're going to increase the coupon ID by 1. Because it's a number field, you can recognize that with this little thing here. We can increase the number by 1. And then it says, here's your unique coupon. So let me publish it, then we'll preview it, and then we're going to look what happens in Messenger. So then you say that it says, here's your unique coupon code, and then you see that we have this one, which is the first coupon. Now, if I preview it again, then we're going to get the second coupon, right? Now, let's do it one more time. And then you see that I get the third coupon. So we're using those coupon IDs to like map out which coupon belongs to that coupon ID. And every time we give one away, we increase the number by 1. So if we take a look now, the next time it is going to send coupon number 4 away, which is this one. So that's basically how it works. I thought this was super cool. It's also really easy to implement. And yeah, it's really cool, especially that you don't need Zapier or Integromat for it, because this will also save you and like the struggle of setting that up, and you will also save some scenarios or tasks which will make it cheaper to implement this, especially if you want to give lots and lots and lots of coupon codes away. Okay, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about it, just let me know.